Imagine trying to build massive monuments or trade across long distances, all without calculators or computers. Believe it or not, ancient Egyptians and Greeks developed their own methods and algorithms for calculations, methods that still influence math today. Curious? Stick around, because we're diving into how these ancient algorithms worked. Let's start in ancient Egypt. The Egyptians were masters of practical calculations, especially when it came to building structures and managing resources. They had a unique approach to math that was both clever and efficient. Take their method for multiplication, for example. Rather than memorizing multiplication tables, Egyptians relied on a process called doubling and halving. They would double numbers repeatedly to get to a result close to what they needed. Sounds interesting, right? Let's see how this works. To multiply 5 by 12, Egyptians would write down 5 and then double it until they reach a number close to 12. So you'd get 5, 10, 20, 40, and so on. The trick was to then add up the numbers they doubled to reach 12 exactly. It may seem a bit roundabout, but this method helped them tackle large calculations quickly and without error. Now, let's hop over to ancient Greece. Greek mathematicians took a different approach. They were more focused on theory. Ever heard of Euclid? Known as the father of geometry, Euclid laid down many of the rules that we still follow in math today. Greeks loved geometry, and they often used shapes to help them solve problems. One popular algorithm was Euclid's method for finding the greatest common divisor of two numbers. Imagine needing to divide land fairly. This algorithm was a big help for that. Euclid's algorithm was actually pretty straightforward. You'd take two numbers, say 56 and 24, and keep subtracting the smaller from the larger until they're equal. The last non-zero remainder is your answer. It's amazing how a concept this simple could be so powerful, and it's still used in computer science today. And then there's the abacus, an ancient tool that goes back thousands of years. The Egyptians, Greeks, and even the Chinese all used versions of the abacus for calculations. Think of it as an early calculator, where each bead represented a different place value. You could add, subtract, and even multiply on an abacus, making it a versatile tool for merchants and mathematicians alike. So there you have it, a glimpse into the ancient world of math and algorithms. The Egyptians and Greeks may not have had computers, but their creativity and mathematical ingenuity laid the foundation for concepts we still use today. Next time you're solving a math problem, remember, you're following in the footsteps of ancient civilizations. The wisdom of the past echoes through time, shaping the way we think, build, and create today. But the story doesn't end here. The mysteries of the past are endless, and the truth is waiting to be uncovered.